Hi, I'm Liz, and thank you to the brand for sending me this 10 by 7.5 foot pop-up display for the purposes of this video. All right, so you have needed a portable booth backdrop for your trade shows, your events. Here is exactly what setup of this looks like. So first, I'm going to unzip the cloth carry bag and I'm going to start by taking everything out of the bag. It is a lightweight but really sturdy frame that expands just by pulling it outward. This is definitely easiest with two people, but can be done with one. And one of the things that I want to tell you is that these square aluminum tubes are thicker than the round ones you see on a lot of pop-ups. They feel more stable, which helps a lot when you're setting this up by yourself. Now, once it's all expanded, I'm just going to go through and push all of the locks together. It's super easy. You line it up, you lock them in all the way across. It makes it stable. Next, I'm going to make sure that the Velcro strips are facing up on both sides. So up and down, they're going to be facing out. And then I'm going to start in one corner with the fabric and the Velcro and work it all the way down. Now you'll see that it's smooth, it's really vibrant, it's clean. The teal and yellow on mine looks fantastic. So just take your time, go around with the Velcro and attach it a little bit, keep it taut, and it's very smooth. It looks very professional. Now, once the fabric is on, you just stand the whole thing up. And even though it's 10 feet wide, I was able to do this on my own. And it's, as you can see, a really cool, easy to set up pop up for whatever event or trade show that you have coming up. I hope that helps.